Has no idea what's here. Don't you just love these hauls where I surprise you? So let's see.
Hi guys, we're Ordinary South African and welcome back to another video.
This time we joined the rage and we belong to the Ikea family. Except we all know Ikea is not in South Africa. And for those who don't know, Ikea is a Swedish brand, but the shop sells home good stuff available all over the world except here. Now, thanks to a Johannesburg company called Home Sweet Home, you can shop for whatever products you want. We recently jumped on the bandwagon and bought a few things to fit our home. So here's the famous instruction booklet that everyone talks about on Facebook, how difficult it is to put together and all of that. So let's see how we cope, and we'll see you in a bit. So here is our Ikea order. Thoroughly packaged here. Almost there. Should be the final layer. I don't remember ordering anything this big. And it was only 2 days ago that I ordered it. So here we go, unboxed. I'm going to film in real time how long it takes to put this together because Ikea has a bit of a reputation internationally. Okay, so this is what you call a shelf insert. I have these from Ikea Shelf already. I will put the original product with its price next to somewhere on the screen here. So let's see how quick he can do this. How's the quality?
It looks like very good quality. Generally their stuff has
We decided to do this on a fluffy carpet.
yeah.
And instructions. Do we need tools?
Yes, we do.
Okay, so I'm pausing for the purpose of tools. So this is the little book. As you can see, it is from Ikea. The instructions. So we're now on the floor and you need a
Star screwdriver.
star screwdriver. Do you need the instructions?
No, I don't. I actually don't even know the instructions.
So it took us a bit of a while to figure out which screw goes where because they gave us small ones and biggish ones. So yeah, we had to understand the Ikea instructions.
So this is what it actually looks like. This is your probably the shelf and the metal legs that comes with it. Sturdy, good quality, doesn't feel like flimsy and so on. Well, that's known from Ikea. They normally sell like
So you insert these into your cupboard so you give yourself a little bit
good
of
quality
extra shelf
stuff.
space. So let's look at our next item. What do you think that is?
Yeah, this probably looks like a trolley for V's vegetables.
Vegetables. So that's the product. And obviously you can see it needs assembling. Packaged with minimal packaging from there, so here we go, another set of IKEA instructions.
So this trolley comes with this little leaflet here, and those are the trays of the trolley, and these are the components that came with it. So let's just get to it and see what we make of it. Probably these are the ones for expanding the shelving, and those are your wheels and locking pins.
So what do you think? Is it easy?
Yeah, it's like child's play.
Could I do it?
Yeah, you sure, why not?
I can't see screws here. So once you get the bottom shelf done, it becomes much easier to assemble, as I said that. For some odd reason, we seem to be doing a better job off camera.
Yeah.
So it's our bad for not reading the instructions properly. You're supposed to build it from the bottom going up, and it took, I would say, a few minutes. You don't need any tools for this one. And done. We'll test them just now. Last one, it's called a soccer bit. That's weird. But this is basically much bigger than I thought it was. It's under the bed storage. So this is just attaching a lid, so shouldn't be too bad. I say that and I might regret it. Instantly regrets it. No, the other way, I think. I think these two would lock into each other some way. Understand we don't have IKEA here, so we're not used to their products at all. And done. That was literally seconds. These little hinges snap together. And that's how it works. Now let's put them in real life work at our house. So this is where we've used the first stand. It's to hold our Tiffany & Co. mugs in a display unit with our crystals. As you can see, my collection of china. And it goes behind. That's us. Hello.
So guys, this is the under the bed storage. As you can see, it's not the standard legs on the base. I had to raise these legs by 150 mils in order for this storage box to slide underneath the bed. And that's how it is. It's very easy, very convenient. And there we go. All the winter wear stored away will be coming out soon. Pretty simple. Look at that. So guys, the next item is the trolley, the 3-tier trolley, and this is how we are using it. It's actually meant for going behind the door. Look at that. What a space saver. Made for these kind of applications. Very useful.
So IKEA definitely gets a thumbs up from me. It is a little bit on the expensive side. You can get stuff for cheaper from shops like Leroy Merlin,
Leroy Merlin.
and stuff like that. But the quality is excellent. If only they decided to come and open up a shop here. But there are cheaper options if you are interested in making your home more user-friendly.
But IKEA, top quality.
Yeah.
So please like, share, subscribe, and comment on this video. Please share this video with your family and friends, and we're going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye.